Welcome to Hillbilly Garage. Alright, we went ahead and decided I wanted to take a good look at this small block that we picked up.
What kind of engine is it?
Well, it was advertised as a 350, but according to this little mark back here on the back of the block, it's a 5.0, so it's a 305. So that kind of lowers its market value there a little bit.
But how much did you pay for it?
$30.
With a free extension cord?
And I got a free $6 extension cord. So, so far I'm out $24 if nothing else. But it still weighs enough to give me some money for scrap. But
so what are you doing to it now?
I went ahead and took the throttle body off, pulled the valve covers off.
You should show them those. They're pretty nasty.
Y'all need to come in here and take a look at this. This motor was not maintained very well. It's got some pretty bad sludge deposits all up in there. Which is not...
What's that from?
That's from lack of oil changes.
Ugh.
But...
looks like coffee grounds.
The valve train is not, slopping around. I can't turn any of the push rods, but they're all in the cups and don't appear to be bent. And so we haven't found anything devastating just yet.
Stinks though.
Yeah, it stinks. So we're getting ready to pull this intake off, look down in the valley and see what that looks like. Let's see.
That's pretty gross.
Yeah, more of the same. A lot of gum and sludge. Actually, though, it's not as bad down in here as it is under the valve cover. Still some, but we didn't expect it to be any different really compared to what it looks like up here. But like I said, none of the push rods seem to be bent. Of course, we don't know the status of the lifters and such yet, but we're going to keep digging into this thing. Apparently somebody has been in this because it's got RTV on the China rails, which, there's nothing wrong with that, but I don't know. We'll just have to see. No, wait a minute. No, I don't think it's RTV. I believe that's a one-piece gasket. China rail gasket. It's got to be RTV. Yeah, it is. Okay, well, anyway. So far we haven't found anything that sends it to the scrap pile just yet. But we're going to keep digging on it. And
for $30, can't go
$30,
wrong.
it's fun just to get in here and tear it down. And if I have to send it to the scrap pile, well, I get my $30 back. Alrighty. I think we're going to grab a wrench and dig the bolts out and maybe yank these heads off. But we will check back with you on this, and we appreciate you checking in with Hillbilly Garage. We'll see y'all later. Bye.